Hello and welcome to another update video on ADA. Yeah, ADA is still working here on a, you could say, sideways consolidation pattern, rather with a tendency to go down. Support is between 32.2 cents and 43.7 cents. I treat this currently as a possible 1-2 setup that's forming here, which could lead to a breakout to the upside. However, we don't have a confirmed low, and it is wise, I think, to be very, very careful with this whole structure and not to try to front run, let's say, a reversal to the upside, because this is a very complex corrective pattern. We're already testing right now the 78.6 retracement, and I haven't got any evidence for a low. And I have to say, I'm not quite sure if these Fibonacci levels are really relevant, and I explained many times why. Because on different exchanges, we have different low points. You know, the 10th of October low looks different on several crypto charts, which is why it's so important to be a bit flexible, yeah, and not try to, as I said, try to front run here a reversal without any bottoming confirmation. I mean, in the end, this correction, we had a crash on the 10th of October, which was very weird, and then a recovery. But then again, the Fib levels that are measured based on the low, obviously it will differ based on each exchange. And then this correction has already lasted basically a month again. So we are still in corrections, and it's just painful. This whole cycle has been somewhat painful. But the good news is, I mean, we have formed that. We wanted to see another low, to be fair, right? We talked about that. We wanted to see another low. It was quite clear. I don't want to say it was obvious, but it was the preferred, the preferred scenario here in this correction that we were tracking. I only made a video about it yesterday and highlighted that we should ideally reach, and probably will reach, the area between 47.3 cents and 44.7 cents. So from that point of view, this internal pullback has done what it needed to do. So basically the wave count is now full. But without any sign of a reversal, we could even still get a few more downside squiggles. But it's very full now. Wave count is full. If we get another low, then 44.7 cents is the next support level. First indication of an upside reversal would be a break above the last high. That internal B wave high that's labeled at 50, that's positioned at 57 cents. Better evidence would be a break above the 60.7 cent level, which is this swing high that formed on the 11th of November. So that's the update on ADA. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you're interested in additional updates, then also check out our X channel for additional updates, news, and much more. There are additional video updates here. There are additional charts here, mindset stuff, Elliott Wave stuff, additional macro updates that you won't get on YouTube. So yeah, check it out. I'll leave a link in the comment section. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.